Okay, here's Music Box Dancer. It's going to be in C position, where your right hand would be in middle C, except we're going to start up an octave higher, and the left hand would normally be here, but it's actually going to be starting with our pinky on middle C. Okay, so again, this is middle C. Put your pinky there in your left hand, okay? And your right hand's an octave higher. All right, let's take a listen to the piece, and I'll go over every single bar. Let's listen. Okay, now, let's talk about every single bar. Let's go to the first bar here. We're going to be playing C, E, G, E, C, G, E, G, but we need to play that 3 times. Again, G, E, G, C, E, G, E, C, G, E, G, C, E, G, E, C, and then we move our third finger to C, C. That's the end of the first bar. Remember, I want you to learn this bar by bar. So you need to master the first bar. Remember, we're playing that first part, those first 2 measures, 3 times. That's why I played it there. It says play 3 times. Alright, now we've moved our third finger to this C, and the left hand stays. We're going to be playing this C and C together. And our thumb reaches over just 1 to G. C, E, and now we're going to move our 1 finger to C and play C with E. And then third finger will be on E now, 5 on G, 1 on C, and we're going to reach up to the high C and play C with F. B, A, G, and then play E. Okay, let's watch that again. C and C together, G, C, E, C and E together, E, G, C, C and F together, B, A, G, and then E in the left hand. Okay? Play it as slow as I did, and then try to go measure by measure, increasing your speed. So play that first measure, and then maybe a little faster, and a little faster. Okay? And then let's add the next measure. Go back to slow speed. Get that thumb there. Okay, now let's do it a little faster. A little faster. And then we'll get it up to speed. So that's how I want you to do it. I want you to learn measure by measure and slowly put them together, and then increase the speed as you're putting them together. Alright, let's look at the third bar now. The 5th finger moves up. We went. Now we finished with our 2nd finger on G at the last bar. So we're going to move our 5th finger there now. And we're going to play 5, G and G together. F, D, B, G, B, D, F, E and C together, C, A, G, and then E and G together. And now move your 3rd finger back to C, C. Alright? Now this next bar is actually repeating of the 2nd bar. They're the same thing. But I'll go over it again. C and C, G, C, E, C and E, E, G, C. Reach up, C and F, okay, B, A, G, E. So it's exactly the same as the 2nd bar. Let's look at the first bar on the 2nd page. So we're on G. We're going to move our 5th finger down to G. Now G and G together. F, D, B, G, B. Now move your 3rd finger to D. D, B. Now move your 3rd finger to C. And play C and C together. G, 5th finger E, C, and then E and G together in the left hand. Now we're moving our 1 finger back to C. C, C, C. Now when you're playing these C's at the end of that bar, you want to reach your hand up to this high C, okay? So you're just going to go and reach as high as you can, and then you're going to move your fifth finger up to C. This is the next bar. So C and C together, fourth finger on A, second finger on F, first finger on C, and then left hand. F and A, right hand, C, third finger takes F now. Fifth finger on A, G and C together, C, A, G, left hand, E and G, C, C, C. Alright, now the next bar, we're going to move our pinky down to G, just one note. We're going to play G and D together, 4 on F, D, B, left hand, F and G, B, D, F, E and C together, C, A, G, E and G now, C, C, C. Now this is repeating of the second bar on this page. Watch, reaching up, C and C together, fourth finger on A, second on F, first on C, F and A, C, F, fifth finger slides over to A, G and C together, C, A, G, E and G, C, C, C. Alright? Move your fifth finger down 1 to G and play G and D together, F, D, B, F and G, B, move your third finger over to B, or excuse me, D, B, and down to C. We're going to play C and C together, G, E, C, and E and G together. Okay? Now, you need to learn these bar by bar. You should be doing these nice and slow. All you should be working on right now is, once you get a bar down, is to keep a tempo. So I'm going to play the first bar again. This is what I mean. Nice and slow, but a nice even tempo. Okay? Once you can play a bar with an even tempo, then I want you to just try to play it a little faster and a little faster until you get the bar done. Then you move on to the next bar. You should only try to do 1 bar a day. That's your goal. Okay? If you do 1 bar a day, after 4 weeks, you'll probably be really good at this song. Okay. If you have any other questions, we will go over them in class. Good luck.